Okay, we have to try and break up Flower and Marigold.
Yeah. Can't believe we finally found a way into the universe.
Yeah, and I wonder where they...
Anyway, this is the only time we are going to be working together.
Yeah, and I think for our first playing, we should mess up Flower's games and make it... And she'll probably think that Marigold did it.
Yeah, I'm going to put out-of-order signs on each machine. There.
And she'll probably think that, that Marigold did it.
Right there. Yeah.
Yay. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it was trying to break us up.
I know.
Oh God, they're breaking your machines.
Let's go catch them in the act.
Okay, let's go. We see you.
We see you.
Uh-oh. Run!
They ran down.
Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Oh no.
Hey, what's...
Oh no.
What's that?
They left.
Ow.
Ow.
My head.
Ow. They're trying to break.
I'm going to order some new machines on my computer.
They broke them all.
Yeah. They even put out-of-order signs on each one of them.
Okay. Ew! What is this? Ew! Flower.
Yeah.
They did this. I know they did this.
Up here.
I know they did this. So we
Catch
should...
them in the back. They're in the bush.
I see them in the bush. We have to act like we're not friends anymore, okay?
No. Actually, no, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna open it. Flower, you did this!
What makes you say I did this?
You do this, and I see green slime all over your hands.
Well, it wasn't me.
Then who was it?
Look in the bush.
There's no one in there. There's no one there.
What? Well, it wasn't me.
Yeah, it was. Go.
Fine, I guess we're not friends anymore.
Oh, and then I tell you to come back. Come on.
We're going to hide in here.
Okay, I just gotta go change real quick. I'm gonna go change. Okay, so what are we gonna be doing?
Let's just listen in on them, okay? Get in the bush.
That was a much fun prank.
Yeah.
Next, let's
Got them not to be friends.
Yeah, but let's make it even worse and set Flower's house on fire.
Yes, let's go. I'll turn on her fireplace, and then we'll run out. Okay?
Okay, turn it on. Let's go. Run before it catches on fire. They're planning to set your house on fire.
Yeah, I can't believe this.
We have to act. And make them believe that we're really not friends anymore.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh! Oh, no!
No, wait. Do either of us have a fire extinguisher?
No, mine's in my house and my door is locked.
Hurry up, let's go get it.
Oh, no, but your house is going to be gone by then. Oh, no. We have to act. Wait. We have to act.
I always carry the spare one in my pocket.
We have to act like you have to act like you're really angry at me and you really don't want to be friends with me anymore. Okay, act.
Hold on.
Act.
Marigold, I can't believe you did this.
I didn't do it.
We're not friends anymore.
I don't even care, meanie. But oh no, Flower, your house is gonna be gone. Your house is gonna be gone. Oh no, your house is gone.
I didn't get rid of the fire in time.
It's gone. Come on, we can build a new one.
Well, it's gonna take a couple of days.
Well, let's just start by scratch. Okay. Woo! Phew, I'm sweating.
Yeah, me too.
But at least it's finally done.
Yeah, took like 3 days.
To build it.
Yeah.
At least we can go in. It looks like how it used to.
Yeah, perfectly the same. And
But wait, does it still have that secret? Did we remember to build that secret layer? Come on.
Let's go look. Let's go. Okay. Yeah.
Don't tell me we forgot to build it. We didn't. Okay, let's go down.
Okay, we did.
Okay. Flower.
Yeah?
We should go up and then confront those villains of us that we're still friends. Let's come on. Let's go.
Okay. Oh, I see them. They're outside of your house.
Oh, let's go.
They're about to do another prank.
Hey, stop right there. Uh-oh.
Yeah, stop.
Uh-oh. They caught us.
No, you weren't getting away this time. Wax door. No
We gotta
way.
throw them back in their universe. Throws them back in the universe. Okay, so they're back in their universe once again.
Yeah.
Well, you forgot to close your curtains on your house.
There we go.
Anyways, how's your mom and dad?
They're good.
Where are they right now?
They're in Florida.
For how long?
They'll be back like tomorrow.
My parents are in my house, but they're in their room and they don't allow anybody in their room.
Wait, Jack, are we done?
No. But anyways, so my parents don't allow anybody in their room, so
Hey, I'm on your roof.
how did you get up there?
Yeah, not telling.
Get down. Get down.
Okay. I'm coming. No.
Okay, so Flower, do you want to go get some ice cream at the ice cream place?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's get on our bikes and go.
No.
Who's that?
I think someone just moved in.
Maybe someone moved here.
Yeah,
I mean, a ton of people live here.
Oh no, the ice cream store is closed. Oh no, wait. No, it's not. We'll work here. We can get ice cream for free. Yeah.
Mint chip. Nom 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 nom. Nom.
I got, what is it called? Birthday cake.
Let's get on our bikes and head home. Nom,
Yeah, let's head home.
nom, 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 nom,
Yum,
nom.
yum, 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 yum. I'm looking down at the ground right now as riding. Hello, neighbor down there. Hello.
I finally finished eating my ice cream.
I got rid of my bike. I dropped it down the hill, but I got it back.
Okay, let me park my bike.
I'm gonna park my bike.
Does it feel good to have a house again? Doesn't it feel good to have a house again?
Yeah, it does.
It finally got rebuilt.
Yeah. Swim, swim, swim.
Let's swim. I'm gonna go in my house and change.
Okay.
Okay, ready to jump in? Jump! Woo! Yay! Wee! Woo! Splash, splash, splash!
Splashes water in face.
Woo! how those little evil versions of us burned your pool.
Yeah. Don't even know how.
That's literally so impossible, right?
Yeah. Shouldn't water put out fire? So how did the pool even burn down?
I don't know. And I think the only part that should have stayed was your pool.
Yeah. But I guess not.
Or maybe they took out all the water before the house burned down.
Yeah, probably.
Well,
Marigold, it's getting pretty late.
we should probably go to bed.
I think we should head to bed.
Okay. Bye, Flower.
Bye.
Ah, this dinner is delicious. Thank you, Mom. You're welcome.